Hello students, this is the part 3 of the chapter Electoral Politics. Let's start with this chapter. Now, we will learn about what is our system of election.
Ma'am, how elections are conducted in India?
In India, elections are conducted in various levels like in villages, towns, cities, states and central level. It means Panchayat election is conducted in villages. Municipality and corporation conduct mayor and chairman election. MLA election is conducted in state level. MP election conducted in central level. And last one is election of president. It means presidential election.
In India, all elections are regularly held in after 5 years. That means after 5 years, the term of all elected representative comes to end.
What is meaning of general election? Here, MP and MLA elections are conducted within a same interval of time or same day or within a few days. That is known as general election.
Ma'am, if unfortunately a member of any constituency die or resign, then what will happen? Does election will be conducted again?
Yes, sometime due to death or resignation of a member of any constituency, at the time election is conducted for filling that vacancy, that is known as by-election. Now, we will learn electoral constituencies. What is meaning of constituencies? Simply, constituency is a geographical area where voter means people elected or representative to a legislative assembly or a parliament. The country is divided into various areas for the purpose of elections. That areas are known as electoral constituency. For Lok Sabha, the country is divided into 543 constituency. The representative elected for each constituency is called Member of Parliament or an MP.
Ma'am, is every state divided into equal number of constituencies?
No, according to the area and the size of the state, constituencies are different. For example, in Maharashtra, there are 48 constituencies, whereas in Odisha, there are only 21 constituencies. We know that in Lok Sabha election, there are 543 constituencies. Now, we will know about there are how many constituencies in all states and union territories of India. There are 531 constituencies in states, and 6 constituencies in Union Territory and 6 constituencies in Jammu Kashmir. If we add up this all the constituency, we will get 543 constituencies. One vote, one value. As we all know, one of the feature of a democratic election is one vote, one value. It means every vote should have equal value. What is meaning of state assembly constituencies? Our country is divided into various constituencies. Similarly, the state is also divided into various constituencies. Here, the member of each constituency is known as MLA. MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly. Now, Panchayat and Municipality election. Like MP and MLA election, in Panchayat and Municipality election, each village and town or cities is also divided in several wards like constituency. Each ward elect one member. That member is known as ward member. These constituencies are counted as seat. Each constituency represent one seat. For example, when we say that Lokdal won 60 seats in Haryana, it means that the candidates of Lokdal won in 60 assembly constituencies in the state, and the Lokdal had 60 MLAs in the state assembly. Reserved constituency. In India, certain seats are reserved in constituency.
Ma'am, in India, why certain seats are reserved in constituencies?
In India, certain seats are reserved for constituencies because in India, so many people belongs to weaker section. These are scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. That weaker sections may not stand a good chance to get election to Lok Sabha and the state legislative assembly. So, some constituencies are reserved for that weaker section. In ST constituencies, only the candidate belongs to the tribal can contest the election.
Currently, in the Lok Sabha, 84 seats are reserved for the scheduled caste and 47 seats are reserved for scheduled tribe and 412 seats are reserved for general and 1/3 seats are reserved for women. It means 180 seats are reserved for women. The total is 543. The reserved seat for SC and ST do not take away the legitimate share of any other social group.
Do you know what is universal adult franchise? Yes, you are correct. It means that the right to vote should be given to all adult citizens above the age group of 18 years without the discrimination of caste, class, color, religion or gender. It is based on equality, which is basically basic principle of democracy.
What is meaning of voter list? A voter list is a detailed record of every person who is registered and eligible to vote. It means it is a responsibility of the government to get the name of all the eligible voters put on the voter list. As new personal voting age names are added to the voter list, person who move out of a place or dead, those names are deleted from this list. EPIC. What is the full form of EPIC? EPIC means Election Photo Identity Card. Here we can see a voter card. Now we will learn where we can use this card. The government has tried to give EPI card to every person on the voters list. This card is useful for voting. The voters can show many other proof of identity like a ration card or the driving license. Nomination of candidate. What is meaning of nomination of candidate? Simply the process of selecting a candidate is known as nomination of candidates. For nomination of candidates, some conditions are there. First one is minimum age is 25 years. It means what? In order to be a candidate, the minimum age is 25 years. For example, if I want to take part in election, my age should be 25 years or above 25 years. Second one is get party symbol and support. It means what? Here political parties nominated their candidates who get the party symbol and support. For example, if I want to take part in the election, then I need a party support, its symbol and its ticket. Without these, I cannot take part in the election. Third one, fill the nomination form with security deposit. It means what? Here, party's nomination is oftenly called a party ticket. Every person who wishes to contest an election has to fill a nomination form and give some money as a security deposit. Fourth one, information not correct can be cancelled. It means what? If the information provided is not correct, the nomination can be cancelled and the security deposit is returned. The correct information means what? The correct information means the candidate should not have any criminal background. What is meaning of election campaign? Election campaign is the means by which a candidates and the political parties prepare and present their ideas and solution to the people who vote them. What is the main purpose of the election? The main purpose of the election is to give the people a chance to choose the representatives, the government and the policies they prefer. Now, when it will happen? Means election campaign that take place for 2 weeks period between the announcement of final list of candidates and date of polling. For example, during election, various political parties like Congress, BJP, Aam Aadmi Party, etc. conduct a election campaign. Here the candidates directly meet with the people and give certain promises. For example, we learnt before that in an election campaign, Chaudhry Devi Lal said that if his party will win the election, then his government will give outstanding loan to the small farmers and small businessmen. Here, the Chaudhry Devi Lal gave a promise to the people. Similarly, all parties give to the promise to the people in the election campaign. Candidates contact voters and addresses the political rallies. It means what? In election campaign, mainly political parties focus on public attention on some big issues and attract the public to get them to the vote. Famous slogans. In election campaign, political parties try to focus public attention. They public some certain type of slogans. For example, "Main nahi hum" in the Congress, and some certain famous slogans are "Garibi Hatao" in 1971, "Save Democracy" in 1977, "Land to the Tailor" in West Bengal 1977, and "Protect the Self-Respect of the Telugu" by N.T. Rama Rao. People cast their votes at polling booths. It means what? Every person whose name is there in the voter list, they cast their vote. by visiting polling booth and on polling day. Third, ballot paper and EVM sealed and taken to a secure place. It means voters cast their vote by pulling a stamp on the ballot paper or through a electronic voting machine. It means EVM. In a general election, usually the counting of votes in all the constituencies take place at the same time on the same day. Television channels, radio and newspaper reports this event. Within a few hours of counting, all the results are declared and it becomes clear as to who will form the next government. That all had happened in the polling day and counting of votes.